Welcome in today's video. Today we will continue to work on my E46 328. A lot of time has passed before we uploaded another video, and today we have to continue. As you can see, the E46 is full of spare parts, or full of the stuff which we disassembled. Full of shit. I found some storage room near my house and we will put everything there. Yeah, let's get into it. So we have the lights. I'm a little bit cold right now because, as you can see, we insulated only one wall, but we have brand new chimney, so we can start a fire, and hopefully only in this furnace. Cold here in the winter, warm here in the summer, so we will die either way. Okay. Now inside we have a lot of parts. For example, those carpets from the trunk and stuff, so it's like that. On the wheel, trunk. I used it once for running outside, and now it will just work in the garage, I think. First part is out. I brought the trailer up, and now the harder parts, the beefy stuff. I don't know what's the time now. It's 5:15 and I more or less didn't do anything, and I'm here already 2 hours almost. So the hardest part is just to take everything out, bring it up the ladder. It's like some old barn or something like this. All the parts are here and we can continue. As you can see, I took all the stuff from the inside out. This is where we ended last time. The subframe is gutted, and so am I when I see this rust. I thought about it, and the next part which we could disassemble is the doors, because that way we will have much easier access to the whole car. It will be a lot lighter when we will lift it up. We have to remove them anyway. There are bolts here, of course the bolts on the hinges. I hope it's this one, because I don't have a bigger one. This is the 11, that's the 10. If it's the number 12, then I'm strongly fucked. Yes, it's this one. Why the hell is it so loose? I would like to know. Why is it so loose that I just... Oh, probably here. Yeah, everything right here. So, I would like to keep doing this the right way, so I will try to keep everything organized. It's good to have everything organized. Doors, right? Hinges. I'm writing like a 5-year-old. Now we can remove this bolt, which holds the connector, and we should be able to remove the connector as well. This small one. Now the only thing left from this connector is to take it out. You would not believe how much it was stuck. It was stuck here on the edge, but now it's out. Of course, it knows that I'm already tired and I did not do anything on video, so my handle just broke and flew away from this fucking shit. Let's sort this out and let's continue. As you can see now, I get the bottom one out. Now the upper one, but as you can see, the range of motion is the same. Finally, nice, so that I don't lose anything. So, if I'm correct, the door should go out just like this. What the hell is this? Okay, so now you can see the one door is removed. Also, you have to counter with some screwdriver. Great, at least I didn't lose it. The next one is out. Nice. The last one is out. If I can pick up the door and just... Yeah, nice. It's not the worst progress, so pretty okay with it. Welcome in day 2. Today we are continuing on the other side. I had to clean up the garage a little bit because I could not even open the door all the way. So yeah, now we have place here and we can probably start by removing this back door and then we will go to the front one. I will just need something like this, I think. Let's just loosen up this part.
Oh yeah, here it is.
This is stuck more than the
Yeah, they
right
usually
one.
get stuck and they're really stiff after those years.
As you can see, today I have some help because yesterday I was just stuck here cleaning up and today Milan had time as well.
I hate doing this job because you are only able to move the ratchet or the wrench just a little bit, but here it seems that it works. Yeah, you have to pull
Yeah, like this, but I'm just
towards
trying
me.
Yeah.
This is the situation where it's really easy to move with wrench, but impossible to move with fingers.
Yeah.
I hate this. It
I'm-
happens quite often. I really appreciate this steering wheel.
Without the blown airbag, of course.
Yeah, it was basically brand new when you got the car. It was changed as a dealer recall regarding the dreaded airbag recall.
Yeah, it should be okay. Let's just pick the door up and we will see
Yeah,
if
open them.
if I did okay.
You have to push the connector inside the hole and then lift the door up.
Did I forget?
You forgot about the
Yeah.
the door stop.
The spring.
Really, yeah.
What was it? Torx?
It's an E-Torx.
Okay. This is much better. Okay.
And now, yeah, success.
Okay. Can I maybe just put it down like this? On the...
Yeah, just put it down. It doesn't matter if they get scratched. We will be restoring the whole bodyworks of this car. So yeah.
Yeah, as you can see, I already covered the pit
hole.
just a little bit because I don't want to fall down.
It's pretty dangerous because we made the inspection pit really deep because those shallow inspection pits, they were notoriously known here in former Czechoslovakia because you had to be really basically
Short.
yeah.
Now I will just remove this bolt as first one. Yeah, yesterday I did it like this.
Yeah.
So that I can get there with the ratchet a little bit better. Now the rolls have been changed.
Yeah. I'm trying to
Milan is doing the videographer and
yeah. And Jakub's having a wrench time. Or you can see the fact that I'm behind the camera by the fact that I can't
that I'm using that angle more often.
yeah, I can't operate this properly. But I would like to learn to shoot videos.
You had to just add the videos there, right?
I can shoot guns for sure,
Okay.
even though we are in Europe. Contrary to popular belief, we can have and own guns.
Now the only thing left is the electric connector, and it's the worst because I really cannot put the whole...
Yeah, this is the worst. I hate this.
look at this rust here.
Oh damn, yeah. But it's nothing for us, nothing that we can't or we shouldn't be able to
Well, we'll see.
Repair. I'm the rust treatment guy here. I'm not afraid at all.
I am the rust maker. Everything I touch turns to rust. It's like a opposite of a Midas touch, you know?
It's nice to see someone other than me dealing with the manual labor here. I really like this car because even though it was a stock 328, I remember when we drove in it, it was still pretty much capable in today's traffic.
Yeah, the suspension, you could say, was like welded.
The bushings were rotten and there was a lot of plane there, but it still rocked.
Milan, I need
What's
your
up?
bigger grip.
It's... Oh! Man, this is giving me a hard time. I think WD-40 would help.
Yeah, take it. Oh, WD-40, yeah?
Yeah.
Very cute version, this package.
All reliable.
Where can I...
Used for every single application but the application that it was designed for, and that being water displacement.
Yeah.
But it ain't stupid if it works.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What a difference WD-40 makes. I removed everything, yeah?
I guess, yes.
Nice. Imagine now the whole inside just rips out. It's much better even to just move around here.
Yeah.
Because yesterday everything was here. Here you can see the old hood from the E46 when it was still running. I'm going through the hoods like Milan is going through the trunks. If you know, you know. Milan changed like
my trunk door
four
always
trunk doors.
Lasts me a year.
I changed my first hood when I left it open on the highway. I think you probably saw the aftermath in the pictures. Then I bought this one. And
not to mention my accident with my E46 2-liter touring diesel, where I forgot to close my hood.
Exactly like I did.
The same way as Jakub did here on his 328, and I was like doing 140 kilometers per hour, and I was overtaking an old man. All of a sudden, the bonnet flew upwards and all over my windshield, which got cracked. I had the bits of glass in my face, but frankly not in my eyes. And I was able to do an emergency stop at the parking lot, because as the bonnet lifts up, you can see underneath it as there is a curve. I was lucky.
Then I changed it for this one, for the silver one, which I used all the way until I crashed. And as you can see, it was damaged, not too much, but it's like bent here, here and there, also here a little bit. And so then we bought this black one, which is not in the best condition as well, because as you can see,
Oh damn,
it's rusted so much.
look at that shit.
We will make it work somehow.
And
Yeah, and Milan is already scratching the rust from here.
yeah, this is a typical scene, and you can see on every single old E46. Look at this place. This is a typical rust spot that forms on every E46 that hasn't been treated by any ways.
Like 10 times.
But this is a typical thing, E46 thing. And we will be changing the rocker panels anyways. So
Yeah. So I would say this is it for today's video. We will see in the next one, where we will probably start by removing the dashboard, the steering wheel, all the stuff
the
from the
front
dashboard.
carpet, of course,
Yeah.
because we need to have a clean body shell where we can see every single rust spot and treat it the right way.
Yeah. And then we will move on. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next one.
Yeah, bye.